Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to find the third angle of a triangle. So let's get started. First, we are going to type in angle of triangle. So we're going to make this equal to input and enter a number. No, it's actually going to be enter a enter a angle of a of your triangle. Triangle of your triangle. Yeah. Then we're gonna put colon space. And we're gonna make another line, and we're gonna name this user input another angle of triangle. I'm just gonna turn off the code intelligence because it's disturbing a little. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna make it equal to some user input. Int input. Enter a angle of. We're actually gonna change the A to another angle of your triangle. Okay, then colon space. So then we're going to make two new lines, and we're going to print, and then inside this print function, we're going to put an F string. So inside this F string, we're going to put the third angle of your triangle is. Then we're going to put some curly brackets, and inside these curly brackets, what we're gonna type is 180 minus angle of triangle. So we're actually going to try this first because there's going to be a problem, and I'll tell you what that problem is. So then we're going to do that plus another angle of triangle. I keep on typing triangle. So yeah, we're going to do this, and I told you that there was a problem, so let's see what that problem is and why it's coming. So if you run this, it tells you to enter a angle of a triangle. So let's say 45, and another one is 45. It says I entered my things as 45 and 45, and it says the third angle is 180, but it's actually supposed to say 90 because 45 plus 45 is 90, and 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. So the answer should actually be 90. So let's see why this isn't saying 90. So you guys might not know this, but Python goes with the PEMDAS rules, which means the order of operations, automatically. So what it's doing is 180 minus 45, which is equal to 135. So then it's doing that plus 45. So that plus 45 is equal to 180. So that is why it's saying 180. So since this goes in PEMDAS rules, the first thing it's in PEMDAS is the P, which is parenthesis. And what I mean by that is the P stands for parentheses. So we want to put the parentheses around the angle of triangle plus another angle of triangle. So this can do this first. It can calculate this first, and then it can do 180 minus this. So let's run this, and it says the angle, enter an angle of your triangle. So 45, and another one, 45. And it says the angle of your triangle is 90. So yeah, you can basically enter any angle, but if you want to make it look like more clear, you can just do \n before you put this, before you start typing. But like it has to be after the string right here. So yeah, when you run this, it's gonna do basically the exact same thing, but it's gonna do stuff different. So 45, 45, it's gonna make a new line, and then after it's gonna make another new line, and then in that second new line, it's gonna do the third angle of your angle is 90. So we can do any angle. So if we do 10 and 80, it's gonna say 90. If you do 10 and 10, it's gonna say 160, because it's gonna do 10 plus 10, which is 20, and then 80 minus 20 is equal to 160. So yeah, that's why it's 160, and that's actually the right answer. So yeah, you can basically do lots of stuff with this. So you can do 70, and then you can do 20, it's gonna say 90. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video, because that was the end of the video. So if you did, make sure to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.